Hello guys! Today, we will learn about what are the differences between a call center and a BPO. Many people think that a call center and BPO are synonymous or the same, but they are not. In this video, I'm going to explain it. So let's start by understanding what is a call center. A call center is a department that handles a large volume of telephone calls, typically for customer service, support, sales, or other business related communications. The term for an employee in a call center is agent or call center agent. This is the simplified definition of a call center. Now, I will discuss what is a BPO. BPO stands for Business Process Outsourcing. BPO occurs when a company hires another company to perform specific tasks for them. This is the simplified definition of a BPO. For example, Company 1 owns an online flower shop. Customers frequently call to inquire about their orders, deliveries, returns, and refunds. Company 1 doesn't want to handle customer service, so it hires another company, which is Company 2, to manage these tasks. Company 2 is a call center, specializing in customer service, meaning they answer and assist customers. Company 1 pays Company 2 to handle its customer service. This entire process where Company 1 outsources specific tasks to Company 2 is known as Business Process Outsourcing or BPO. Always remember that BPO is not just about hiring a call center. It could involve different types of skills or services, and call center is just one of them. These are the differences between a call center and a BPO. When it comes in focus and scope, functionality, service range, in essence, a call center can be seen as a subset of BPO services, with BPOs providing a broader range of business functions and solutions beyond just customer interaction. If you learn from this video, please like and subscribe to this YouTube channel for more videos. Thank you.